Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make games with AI. It's similar to coding, but you're not the one who's doing it. You can just ask AI and then he will make the code and then it's just like AI is technically coding for you, which technically is the same thing. Okay, so now I'm using Google Gemini as my AI I'm going to be using, and I'm using MacBook computer. If you use a PC, it's going to be a bit different. So you have to use MacBook in order for you to do the same thing, or yeah. And then also if you use Gemini, it will be even more like same thing. All right. So now let's get our prompt. There. So this is the game. This is the prompt I made up for us. It's going. I don't really want to read it, but I can give you some time for you guys to read it yourself. Okay. So you can read it like right now, or you don't necessarily have to. If you don't want to read, you can keep going in forward to the video where you can actually see. But for people who want to read, you can read right now. Okay, I'll give you a bit more time for you to read. Yeah, you can make your own game. You don't necessarily have to use this exact same prompt. You just have to make a description for your own game, and it's really simple. You just make a description, AI will really quickly make it for you. So now let's copy this code. If you can, people who didn't finish reading yet, you can just go back to the video to read more, or pause the video. But yeah, now we will copy and paste. So we paste that, and now it's paste on this. Now it's fast right here. There are other choices, but we're going to use fast right now. Okay, now you click submit, and now it will make up the code, just like coding. AI made up the computer code. Now that's the code. Now we will have to copy it. Almost. You copy it on the clipboard, copy code. Now it's copied to the clipboard. Now you go to text edit. Then you go to format and click make plain text. Don't click anything else. You have to do plain text. Okay. Then you do paste. The one you copied, you paste it on your clipboard now. Now you go to save and click save. Then you have to click that, unclick the check mark. Then you can change the name. So I'm going to do black hole, just a little. And now it's TXT, as you can see, but we need to change it to HTML, right? I call it HTML. But yeah, you can remember HTML. Now you click save. Then you go to Finder. Then right there it is. It says black hole. And now you double click that and it should work. There. As you can see, wait. Nope, doesn't really work. But yeah, in the beginning it doesn't usually work. But this is how you make it. So as you can see, there are stars and I'm trying to suck them up. So that's technically how you can make games with Google Gemini AI, and make sure to use MacBook. You can, and yeah, and as I said, you can make any game. You don't have to make this, but if you want to make the same thing, it will it's like you can just play it again. And some fun facts. I'm going to make a playlist soon, or maybe now, it's already on there. So this playlist will have all the different types of games I made, including this video. Um, just but if you're watching this video early, then I might have not made the playlist yet, or I might have made the playlist for just this video. Okay, but next time I'm going to make all of these other videos. I'll tell you the videos I made. I mean the games I made. Deep mining game, dig up, fancy footwork. In fact, I made that today. Lava tide, mine up multiplayer, mine up, and suck up stars. That's the same game, but I named it black hole this time. So yeah, that's all for this video of how to make how to make games with AI Gemini. Okay, so that's all for this video. So bye bye.